he's like to the point where people feel like they're like not good enough because he like keeps doing that. Everyone's like, I don't know what else we can be doing more to like make him happy.
Right.
And it's like everybody's I feel like doing pretty good. So
yeah. Some sort of kick with that.
it's he's like on this like like self improvement.
Does that mean like you guys do professional development stuff a lot, or like what?
We've a bit. My goodness.
I think he's allergic to you. She.
Right?
Good people allergy.
It bonked its nose on the pole.